Hello everyone, I know this is different from what I usually do. I know I usually do gaming, but today we're going to be doing something different. We are going to be drawing Cosmo the leopard from Sonic Earth. So let's get started. So we're going to go to around the center of the page, a bit up from that, and draw a small oval for the nose, then add a small oval for the highlight and just colour that in. So then we go down from the nose slightly and draw the muzzle about from the bottom of the nose, and just round that out. Now we finish off the bottom of the muzzle with a curve. Then we step up from the nose and draw the brow. Now step up and draw the eyebrows. Now step up and draw the ears. Now these ears are going to be a bit longer than any other animal's ears because they're a cat's ears, not a hedgehog's ears. Now we trace the inside. Now we go down to the brow and draw or the eyes. Trace the eyebrows inside and just colour the eye and just colour the pupils in. Now we're going to go back to the ears, step up and draw a curve. Now to the ears is draw another curve on both those sides connecting to the muzzle. Now draw the spots. Then draw the mouth. Now step down and draw the body. And then if you're doing pencil like me, you can rub out a bit on the body on each side of the strap. If not, don't worry, you can still draw it. Now draw the strap. Now we're going to add the belly. So now we're going to step down and draw the legs. Then step out and draw on the inside of the legs and finish it off with a curve. Now we're going to wrap a thick cuff around on the ankle, so draw a curve and then basically copy what I'm doing, drawing a thick Sonic cuff. Now we're going to go to the bottom of the cuff off on the inside and draw the shoes. So draw a curve of going down and then another one going out. Then link the cuff and the shoe together. Then draw the straps. And we're going to do the same on the right. Left. We're going to do the same on the left. Now we're going to go back to the body and draw a curve for the arms going down. Then step up to the muzzle and draw the same curve. Then add another curve. Now we're going to do the same thing on the left. Now we're going to draw the same cuff around and the wrist. So base is basically just like before. Copy what I'm doing to draw all the cuffs. Now we're going to go back to the body and draw the hoverboard. I might do another version later on where the hoverboard is basically under the feet like you did right. I do the hoverboard. Now we're going to go back to the cuffs and draw a curve of the hand with those off the bracket. Then do the same on the right. Now wrap 3 fingers around, just like this. And do the same on the right. Now we add the spots. And now just draw the tail, and then we're going to do a time lapse to show going over the lines with fine liner. Alright, so fine lining done. Now we can get to colouring. So start with a skin tone and colour in the ears, the muzzle, and even the belly. Because, yeah, that needs to be skin tone, obviously. Now all straps that Cosmo has are red, so we just need to grab a red pen and colour the straps in, like the one holding his hoverboard and the ones on the shoes. Now we just grab a black pen and we colour in the nose, spots and the shoes. The spots will take the longest, I think, because there are so many of them. He's a leopard. Because there are so many of them, because he's a leopard. Now this drawing was inspired by Cartoon Club How to Draw. Or he's helped me draw quite a lot of my drawings. Except that I made this character up, basically. Now colour in the energy pads on the hoverboard with yellow. Now, for the actual hoverboard, you can either use silver or grey, but I'd highly recommend silver, like I'm doing here. Oh, sorry, I forgot the spots on the right arm, so let's just draw those. Just outline them with a fine liner, like I did earlier with the others, and just colour them in black. Now we're going to grab a purple, and different to all the other Sonic characters, the cuffs on Cosmo's shoes are actually the same in colour as his body. So don't forget that. We're just going to colour in his body purple, which is his body colour. So that's it. That's how we draw Cosmo the leopard from Sonic Earth. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to watch more or episodes in this channel and learn how to draw more things and watch my game. Oh, and subscribe.